This is a 9-watt LED light bulb that I got in a local shop for only 60 euro cents. It claims to be 9 watts and 800 lumens, which is what a 9-watt lamp should put out. But I don't trust it because it was so cheap, so I'll test it. I'll screw it in. Power meter. And the power is almost 10 watts, 9.9 watts. 9, yeah. Which is quite good. It gives a really nice warm white. Well, it's kinda yellow. The camera shows it as yellow, but yeah. It's quite nice. And it's bright. It doesn't get hot, which is weird, because it's 10 watts. The 10-watt floodlights that I have get quite hot, but this it stays cool, like 40 degrees, which is okay for an LED bulb. I took the liberty of taking one apart previously because to get this out is quite hard, because this metal part is all covered in plastic, which is quite brittle. It's in that sense it's quite easy to get off, but still. So it's made of two boards. One is the regular board and one is the aluminum backed one for the LEDs. I made a schematic for it. Yeah. It starts with a resistor acting as a fuse and an inverse limiting resistor, which is 27 ohms. Then it goes straight into this bridge rectifier, and across it there's a 6.8 microfarad capacitor, and which has its two mega ohm discharge resistors, which add up to 4 mega ohms, which is quite a lot. Quite a high value. I would expect like a lower value because this capacitor is quite big. Well, it's not massive, but still. They're probably doing these in series because they're tiny SMD ones, and they're doing the in series to add up to make it so that they can handle the mains voltage. Then it comes to this board. If you're wondering, if you want to unsolder this, we have to slide this out, not just pull it. So there are 14 LED packages. Each of them consists of 6 LEDs in parallel. There's also this BP5131D chip, which is the main driver. It has its drain connected straight to the LEDs. It's ground to the negative rail of the bridge rectifier. And this third pin, the current sensor pin, is connected with two 47 and 33 ohm resistor to ground as well. These both add up to 20 ohms. And they're to tell the chip what current to drive the LEDs at. This is a really simple design. All they need is the one chip. One resistor would be enough, but they're probably using it so it's more accurate. And the LEDs and like a bridge rectifier, a smoothing capacitor, and that's it. If it was Chinese, they would probably skip this fusible resistor. They would probably skip these discharge resistors. We use one resistor here, and yeah. I mean Chinese, the eBay ones. That's what I mean by Chinese. But these are nice bulbs to get if you want, if you can find them. Yeah.